Hi everyone, this is Miss Mary. Hope you're having a good day so far. Okay, let's get to that work right away. Okay, how about page 13? Okay, it's page 13, second one. B flat natural minor. We're drawing major, minor, and chromatic scales. Okay, all right, so I'll draw B to B first. Okay, and we're going to figure out the key signature. If it's a B flat minor, this is relative of which one? What do you think? It's relative of D flat major, right? In the key of D flat, what do you have? You have B, E, A, D, and do one more. G flat, right? Okay. Now, if it's a natural minor, you don't do anything, right? You don't raise sixth or seventh, right? Okay, so this is what we do. We are going to flat these. B, two B's first, and E, A, D, and G. Great. Good job. Okay, let's do A flat major. Okay, why don't we draw the notes from A to A? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Okay, now what do you have in the key of A flat major? Now go up to this A flat, which is B, E, A, and do one more. D flats. Okay, go ahead and flat them. B first, the E, A. Now there are two A's, right? And D. Perfect. This is good. Okay. Now let's do B, natural minor. Again, this is natural, so no additional note. Okay, here we go. Relative of B minor is, okay, when you go up 3 steps, it's D major. In the key of D, we have F sharp and C sharp, right? Okay, so we'll draw B to B here. This is treble clef, so there's a B, C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. All right, and sharp F and sharp the C. That's a B natural minor. Okay, F sharp major. Now, again, draw notes from F to F and figure out the key signature. The key of F sharp major. Half step below F sharp is E sharp. E sharp will be the last sharp. Okay? In order, there's F, two F's, right? C, sharp C, G, sharp G, D, A, and E, right? Everything except B. There are 6 sharps in key of F sharp major. Okay, G harmonic minor. Okay, G minor. What's relative of G? It's a, what do you think? B flat. Yes, in the key of B flat major, we have B flat and E flat, right? Okay, now we'll do that first. So we'll do from G to G. G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, so can we flat B? And can we flat E? All right. Now tell me, is that a natural minor or harmonic minor? It is harmonic minor. How do you do harmonic minor? What do? You got to raise the 7th. If you raise the 7, okay, which one would that be? F, right? F sharp. So draw a sharp. So you have a combination of flats and sharp. Okay, this is good. Now it's a melodic minor. All right, B flat to B flat and ascend, and we're going to descend too. Okay, so there's a B flat. Now B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and let's go down now. A, G, F, E, D, C, and B. Okay, now relative of B flat is D flat major. In the key of D flat major, we have B, E, A, D, and do one more, which is G, right? Okay, so we'll go ahead and flat all these first. There's a B flat. There are 3 of them though, okay? Because there's on the top 2. E, 2 E's. A, 2 A's. D, 2 D's. And G flat right there. Okay, is it done? No. It is melodic minor. What do? When you go up, you got to raise the 6 and 7. Okay, let's go ahead and count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, there's a G flat and there's A flat. Now, when you raise them, it's going to be G natural and A natural. Okay, all right. What about when you descend? You go back. Okay, so you cancel them. So A natural will become A flat again, and G natural will become a G flat again. Okay, good. Let's get to the next page. All right, we do C sharp major. This is page 14. So what do? Draw the notes from C to C. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Okay. How many sharps do we have in the key of C sharp major? The half step below C sharp is, it's a B sharp, right? B sharp's the last sharp, isn't it? So we have all 7 sharps. So sharp everything. Sharp every note. G, A, B, and C. Okay. Tell me when you're done. Done? Okay. Now we'll do chromatic scale beginning on G sharp. So first of all, we're going to draw G sharp. What's chromatic scale? Half step, right? Half step. All right. So we'll do this. Okay. Now there's a G sharp. It's right here, right? This is G sharp. Okay, can we do that with this color? It's more noticeable. Okay. Then we have A natural. Okay. And A sharp. See, when you go up, you want to do sharps. Okay. B. And after B, there's no black key, right? So it's going to be C. C sharp, D, D sharp, E, and no black key, right? So it's F. F sharp, G, and G sharp, right? Now we're going to go back, okay? So we're going to cancel this. So it's going to be G natural first, okay? All right, here. What's that? It's a F sharp or G flat. If you guessed the G flat, then you're very, very good. Right. Okay. See? Remember, we have to use the flat sign. Now this is F. And no black key, so it's E. Now what's that? Is that a D sharp or E flat? E flat. D, D flat, C, and again, Y key, B, B flat, A, and A flat. Remember, A flat and G sharp. It's enharmonic, right? Same note, same key, but different names, right? This could be G sharp or this could be A flat. Okay, good. Excellent. All right, let's do F major. Okay, now what do you have in the key of F? 1 flat, B flat, right? Okay, so let's do, draw the notes from F to F. Okay, can we do this here? F, G, A, B, C, D, E, and F, and flat the B. All right, now it's natural minor. Natural. Now we're gonna do its relative major. What's relative major of F minor? When you go up 3 steps, it's A flat major, right? Okay. In the A flat major, what do we have? We have a B flat, E flat, A flat, and do one more, D flat, right? Yeah, good. So we're gonna start from here. F, G, from F, okay? F, G, A, B, C, D, E, and F. All right. Now can we flat these? B flat, E flat, A flat, and D flat. Got it? Okay. All right, good. Now, can we do chromatic scale beginning on C sharp this time? Okay, so easy. All right, now here's a C sharp. Now half step above C sharp is Here's C sharp. It's a D, okay? And D sharp, right? E and F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, and C sharp, right? C sharp to C sharp. Now, when we descend, we are going to use the flats. Now, first of all, we're gonna cancel the C sharp, right? So it's gonna be C natural, okay? And this is B flat, A flat, G flat, F, E flat, and D flat. Oh, I'm short of space here. There's a D flat. D flat is same as the C sharp, right? Good. So this is good. All right, let's do D flat major now. Okay. Now let's draw from D to D. D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and D. All right. In the key of D flat major, what do we have? We have a B, E, A, D, and plus G flat. Okay. So there's a B flat. There's E flat. There's A flat. There's D flat, the two D flats, and G flat. Got it? Okay, good. Now E, melodic minor. What is melodic minor? You gotta raise the 6 and 7 when you go up, and when you go down, you gotta cancel them, right? Okay, so we're gonna do from E to E first. Now let's draw E here. It gets way too high, right? So we're gonna start from the bottom. E, F, G, A, B, C, D, and E, and go down D, C, B, A, G, F, and E. Okay? Now relative of E is, now when you go up 3 steps, it's G major. In the key of G major, we have F sharp, right? So we're gonna sharp F's first. All right, now let's do melodic minor. How do we do this? Raise the 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so there's a C sharp and there's a D sharp. Okay, on the way down, what do you need to do? You gotta cancel them. So it's gonna be D natural and C natural. Okay, good. Let's go to the page 15. Okay, another chromatic scale beginning on E. Okay, now this time we'll try to do this without the real keyboard, okay? Now have a keyboard in your mind, okay? Now imagine it. All right, now on E, so here's E. Now next to E is F, then F sharp, black key, right? And G, and there's a black key too. G sharp, A sharp, B, and there's a C, right? C sharp, D sharp, and E. That's it. And we're going to go down using flats. Okay, now E to E flat is good. And D flat, C, and B, right? No black key in between B and C. B flat, A flat, G flat, right? F and E. Okay, we made it. All right, now let's do a harmonic minor. Okay, what's the relative of A? C major. Easy, no sharps, no flats, right? Okay, so we'll do from A to A. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Now it's harmonic minor, so what do? We gotta raise the 7th, so it's gonna be G sharp. Okay? All right, good. Okay, let's move on to number 2. Now, name each circled scale. This, E flat, F, G, this, okay? And name major, minor, or chromatic. Okay, now now this is what we need to do. Okay, first of all, we need to go ahead and flat E, B, and A. So there's a B and A. All right, and E. Okay, look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 notes, right? Yeah, it's some kind of scale. Is that an E flat major scale, or is that what is it, E flat minor scale? Okay, now look, what do you have in the key of E flat major? Now, first note becomes a key tone. E flat major, there's a B flat, E flat, and A flat, right? See, there's a B flat, E flat, and A flat, right? So this is E flat major scale because E flat is the lowest note, and that's going to be the key tone. That's that key name. All right. Next one, we have F to F. The lowest note is F. The highest note is F. Again, there are A notes. All right. Now, if F is the key tone, this is F major, right? In the key of F major, what do we have? B flat. Do you see a B flat here? Yes. So it's a F major scale. Okay, let's go on to the next page. How about page 16? All right, here. What do we have? We have G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C. A lot of sharps, right? And these are all half step, okay? All right, so what do you call it? Chromatic scale. And which chromatic scale is that? Which is the lowest note? G. So it's a G chromatic scale. All right, let's do D. What do we have? We have G to G, okay? Let's go ahead and flat them. We have a B flat and E flat right there, okay? As you know, in the key of G major, there's no flats, right? Only one sharp, so it cannot be G major. How about relative minor then? Okay, what's the relative major of the G? It's B flat major. In the key of B flat major, we have B flat and E flat, right? So this is G minor, but which form? There's a natural form, harmonic form, and melodic form. It is natural form. So it's a G natural minor scale. Okay, last one. Oh, so many notes and lots of sharps with the same notes, right? So it's a D chromatic scale, right? Or it could be any. Yeah, let's do D2, D2. It only shows up to B, but it's all right. D chromatic scale. Great. Now we're going to do new things, intervals. Okay, interval is the distance between two notes. We all know that, okay? Now a major scale, D to E is major, which is second, right? Second, third, and sixth, and seven. We call them major, okay? And 4, 5, 8, you call them perfect interval. All right, okay. All right, I want you to remember that. Okay, good. Here. Now from D to B is a major 6 because the bottom note is D and D becomes a key tone. And in the key of D major, there's F sharp and C sharp, right? So B is one of the notes in the key of the D. All right. Now this is major. When you want to switch to minor, you gotta lower the top. Okay? Now, if you wanna keep the same top, but you still want to make it to the minor from major, okay? Look, same top. Then you want to raise the bottom note, half step. So you have a shorter distance, okay? Now same thing here, D to F sharp is third. And when you lower the top, it's gonna be minor 3, right? Okay, but you wanna keep the same F sharp. Then what do? You gotta bring the bottom note higher. So put the D sharp, right? So you can have a shorter distance again. Okay. Now this is page 18 for perfect intervals. Now there's no major, no minor for the perfect. You have diminished or augmented. Okay. Now this is perfect interval, D to A. Okay. Now when the top one is lowered, okay, that's called diminished. Fifth. If you want to keep the same top, A and A, but still you want to make a diminished, from perfect fifth, then you have to raise the bottom note. So you have a shorter distance again. Okay? All right, good. Can we do the augmented one now? It's on the bottom of the page. Here, this is D major 6. Okay? Now, when you raise the top, it's going to become augmented. Okay? Now, you want to keep the same top, then you want to lower the bottom note by half step so you can have more distance, longer distance. Okay? That's augmented. Same thing here for perfect interval. This is perfect fourth. When you raise the top, it's going to be augmented 4. Okay? And you want to keep the same top, then what do? You got to move more further from G, which is D flat. Okay? It's augmented 4. All right, let's do some work. Can we go to the page 19 now? Okay. Now, here, we have D flat to B flat. How can you tell this is major 6? Bottom note becomes a key tone, right? Okay, and in key of D flat major, we have B, E, A, D, and one more G flat. Okay, see, do you see a B flat there? That's part of the notes in the key of D flat major. So that's why this is major 6. Okay, now we'll do this. C sharp to G sharp. It's some kind of fifth, right? Okay, now in the key of C sharp major, what do we have? We have all the sharps. So G sharp is one of them, right? Guess it's a perfect fifth. A to A sharp, not A natural, but it's raised. Then is that a perfect eighth or augmented eighth? It is augmented eighth. Okay, now what do we have? This is bass clef, right? Sometimes I read this as a treble clef. Now, so always double check your clef sign, okay? B to G. Now, what becomes a key tone? B. And this is kind of 6. In the key of B major, there's F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, A sharp, and the F, C, G, D, and A sharp, right? Okay, but do you see a G sharp here? No, it's lower, so it's a minor 6. D to F, okay, D to F. D becomes a key tone, okay, and this is some kind of third. In the key of D major, do we have F sharp? Yes, but do you see one? No, so it's a minor 3. A flat to C flat. In the key of A flat major, do we have C flat? No, there's only B, E, A, D, no C flat. So it's not major 3, but minor 3. Next one, some kind of 2. C to D. Isn't that major? Because in the key of C major, no sharps, no flats, right? How about F sharp to D sharp? Some kind of 6. In the key of F sharp major, there's F, C, G, D, A, E sharp, right? D sharp is part of it. So it's a major 6. Okay, we'll do the second line now. Now it's a treble clef. F to B double flat, not just one flat, right? Now in the key of F major, we have one flat, B flat, right? But it's lower. Then what do you call it? It's not perfect, but it's a diminished. Diminished 4. E to D, double sharp. That's a 7th. In the key of E major, we have F, C, G, D sharp, okay? But it's double sharp. It's raised for one more time. Then what do you call it? Augmented, A7. Okay, next one. We have B and we have C double sharp. Now, this is some kind of second. In the key of B major, F, C, G, D, A. It's supposed to be a C sharp, but there's a double sharp. So this is augmented. Okay? Now, E flat to A. Some kind of fourth. Okay? It can be perfect fourth, diminished, or augmented. Now, in the key of E flat major, what do we have? What do we have? B flat, E flat, and one more, A flat. But do you see it? No, it's raised. Then it's a augmented 4. B flat to G double flat, some kind of 6. In the key of B flat major, we have only B flat and E flat, right? There's no G flat. So this is lowered twice. Then is it a minor or diminished? It is diminished. Okay. G to D sharp. In the key of G major, we only have F sharp. D sharp doesn't belong there, right? It's raised. Then it's augmented 5. C flat to B double flat. Okay, in the key of C flat major, we know we have 7 flats, right? All flats. B flat's good, like this. If there's only B flat like this, then this is major 7. But it's low, right? It's major 7. But it's lowered for one more time. Then what do you call it? Minor 7. Okay? All right. What do we have now? G flat to C flat. In the key of G flat major, we have B, E, A, D, G, C flat. Yeah, so it's a perfect 4, right? Good. Okay, now we're going to draw some notes. These are hard. Now, up is easy, but down, you have to think few steps. Okay, now, major second up. So second from D is E, right? Now, which one becomes a ketone? The bottom note, D. In the key of D major, do we have E natural? Yes, because there's only F sharp and C sharp, right? So this is good. All right. Minor 6 up. So count up for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is C, E to C. Bottom note becomes a ketone in the key of E major. Now you have F, C, G, D sharp, right? C sharp. You're supposed to have C sharp. But we don't want the major, but we want the minor, right? So leave it like that. Good. Now, augmented 3 down. Now, this is down. Here we go. So, it's going to be A something, right? Okay, we cannot change this given key. All right. Now, then which one becomes a ketone? C sharp or A? A. Okay, let's say this is A major then. In the key of A major, we have F sharp, C sharp, G sharp. Oh, this is major 3, right? But we want augmented 3. So we have A when we have C sharp. This is major 3. Now, how can we make it to the augmented 3? Means more distance. You cannot change this C sharp. Then we're going to lower the bottom one. Okay? So it's going to be A flat. Good. All right. Now, up is good. E, F, G, A, B. Okay? In the key of E flat major, we have B flat, right? Right? Okay. Diminished 5. We're not looking for the perfect fifth, right? Diminished. Okay, so if there's a B flat, that's a perfect fifth. But you want the diminished. So you want the shorter distance. So you got a flat, double flat. The B. Okay? Okay, let's do this now. D flat and 7, which is C natural. In the key of D flat major, what do we have? B, E, A, D, G. So this is good. Major 7. Now, up second. Okay. Now, minor second, not the major second, all right? In the key of F sharp major, we have 6 sharps, right? Everything except B. Okay? And we're supposed to have a sharp, okay, for G if it's a major second. But you don't want major second. You want minor second. So lower it. So it's going to be G natural. Okay. Now it's diminished 7 down from A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is B, right? B to A 7. Now B becomes a ketone. In the key of B major, we have sharps, right? F, C, G, D, A. Okay? If there's a sharp, this is major. But there's no sharp, so it's minor, right? Minor 7. But is that what you want? No, you want diminished 7. Then what do? You gotta make it even shorter, right? But you cannot change the top. Now here's A. And here's B. This is minor 7. Now, how can you make this to the diminished? By going up. Make a shorter distance. So it's not C, but B sharp. So it's going to be B sharp to A natural is diminished. Okay? All right. Can we do just one more? Now we have down 4, which is C, C to F. Okay. Perfect 4. In the key of C major, no sharps, no flats. So F, there's F, right? So this is perfect 4. Okay, good. We'll do it up to here today. Great job. Okay, and we'll see you next week with more work. Okay, bye-bye.